Yep. So it's happening.
We actually bought it. There was no keys.
Really?
Yeah.
We got another one. Paula, what are you doing right now?
We're switching the tires because it's flat, so we can roll it. Then we can do stuff to it later.
So the car doesn't actually run right now, but it does come with a spare motor. So if that's anything, we're just gonna have to take it apart. Condition-wise, there's a bit of rust here and there. Actually, let's have a look at the pockets right now. So in here, oh yikes, them pockets, they're not too good.
Maybe not. I know the fronts are really flat, so.
Yeah.
Try again? Me? No, not happening.
Oh yeah, we have to shift this over. No, it was about to roll.
Ready? You gotta roll it, baby.
Gonna rock it. Feels like it's dragging.
Sounds like the front deal.
That caliper might be seized. It sounds like it's dragging that tire.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Alright, we gotta turn the wheel.
No way. The good news, you can still buy this new.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So what, the bearings are seized?
Yeah. Either way, you're gonna want to replace all that.
Wait.
It's like a barn find.
It is.
Isn't that the caliper? Isn't that? Sounds like it.
Well, the way the bearings are on this, there's one in the back and there's one in front. Those are shot.
Alright. We have
It's
to push it forward.
yeah.
It's something.
It's
So.
something.
I had only my brother and and the tool truck guy.
Alright.
Stock manifold. It's a power steering car with the power steering pump delete.
Yeah.
Yep. Still got the charcoal canister, which is interesting. I almost never see that.
Let's
did everything.
continue. Push this out.
Alright. Steering this out.
You gotta start steering. What are you doing?
I'm scared.
Now you're gonna need to test your e-brake.
Yeah, you gotta start braking.
It's just the brake.
Alright. We're gonna make it. Onto the trailer.
It's not straight. You gotta straighten it.
Yeah, no.
Ready?
Oops.
Yeah, no, we gotta come down. The wheel.
It's gotta be this way a bit more. Straight. Perfect. Nice.
Woo!
High five.
Yeah!
High five.
Fun.
Alright.
Fun.
Ooh.
Fun.
Alright. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah.
Problem.
Thank you.
One life saved.
Let's load up the tires.
Yeah. And with that,
I have an 86.
Evan, this is yours, title and key. Alright, it's pretty late, but we finally got the car to its new home. Build-wise, it's going to be a drift car. But we're not going to make it like a missile car, because yes, it is rough, but hey, we're going to try to revive it and restore it as much as we can to make it, you know, a nice build.
Finally get to join the cool club. Needs a lot of love, but
It does.
it'll get there.
Yep.
We have a lot of resources and a lot of spare parts, which is awesome. So.
Only really that spot there is pretty bad, but hey, you could just like sand it down, make sure there's no rust, rust proof it, and then slap an over fender, really. Over fender.
All right, got to make it official. Part of.
So fast. You measure it.
There we go. Fenders and front bumper are missing, and headlights.
Yep.
Hood is still in Brooklyn where we picked it up. We couldn't fit it in the Range Rover, and there were no hood hinges, so he's gonna be flying everywhere, and that's sketchy. So we're gonna have Pablo pick it up when he goes over there. Basically, this is just gonna be budget fun car. So I would like to drift it, but I would also like to do like Lime Rock track days and other things of that sort, and just have fun with it when it's warm out.
Look in that passenger seat. There's a full head, 16 valve head.
Yeah.
Untouched. It's like spotless.
There's a block in the trunk also. An
Yep.
extra block.
Extra block, and then
And a full
a
engine.
literal full 16 valve sitting right here.
We will think of a name to call this guy.
Yeah.
And yeah. Project Stato.
So excited.
This is gonna be great.
So excited. Oh yeah, ignore this.
Nothing happens.
Nothing happened here.
Looks like Evan has joined the club with his GTS hatchback. I can't wait to see what he does with it. Next time on Progression D.